The next heading is management process. In management, there is a planning, action, control cycle. The substance of management should be identified as a process. A process is something that what a person does in the context of his individual duties and responsibilities. So, process of something a person does is individual duties and responsibilities assigned by his immediate higher authority. So, a process also implies ongoing and uneasing cyclical operations. So, a process indicates the dynamic nature of management. It also implies that change is a constant reality of organizational life and management is the management of change. So it is a directly concerned with management of human resources in order to secure cooperation and teamwork from the people in their performance. So there are twin purposes of the management. First one, maximum productivity or profitability, and maximum human welfare and satisfactions. So there are five parts of management as a process. Performance of managerial functions as a means of achieving coordination, establishing objective or purposing management process. Then fourth aspect, management is a social process, and last one, management is a cyclical process. So these are the process of management. Now we are going to see in detail about the management process. First one, management is coordination. The manager is an enterprise must effectively coordinate all activities and resources of the organization. So, namely, men, machine, material, and money, the four aims of management. So, management is a coordination. Then, management is a process. The manager achieves proper coordination of resources by means of the managerial functions of planning, organizing, staffing, and directing. Then, management is a purposive process. It is directed toward the achievement of predetermined goal or objectives. Without an objective, we have no destination to reach. So, management is a purposive, the goal oriented. Both management and organization must be purpose or goal oriented. Then, fourth one, management is a social process. It is the art of getting things done through other people. So, with the help of other people, we can achieve our desire. So, management is a social process. Then, management is a cyclical process. It represents planning, action, control, and replanning cycle, an ongoing process to attain the goals. So, management is a cyclical process. Execute the plan, assess what has been achieved, then specify any remedial actions needed and control. So, plan, control, and monitor, then review. So, these are the management. So, the management is a cyclical process. So, the above points are the process of management or management process. So, the five parts of management as a process. First one, coordination of resources. Second one, the performance of managerial functions as a means of achieving coordination. Third, establishing the objective or purpose of management process. And then fourth one, so it must be purposeful managerial activity. Fourth one, aspect is the management is a social process. And fifth, it is a cyclical natures. So up to this, we finished to five more questions. Namely, first one, the concept of management. Then second 5 mark, management process in detail. So two 5 mark questions and are finished, and one more questions or 2 more question. What is management? List of the management tools. Who is a manager? So three 2 mark question. Define the term management. Is management is an art or science? Then difference between management and administration. So 3 2 mark and 3 mark. Then 2 5 mark questions are finished. So from the video, take down all the answers in a notebook and read and send the answer to me. I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you, children.